The Disney Channel is wishing you a happy Halloween.
Disney's DTV Monster Hits features the music of Michael Jackson, Stevie Wonder, the Eurythmics, ELO, Creedence Clearwater Revival, Rockwell, Ray Parker Jr., Daryl Hall, and Bobby Boris Pickett. Now your host for tonight, the one who knows all, the magic mirror on the wall.
Good evening. Oh, good, she's not here. I mean, my former employer, the wicked queen in Snow White, you know. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Yeah. Well, that's me, the slave in the magic mirror. It's 50 years since I first appeared on the silver screen. Back then, rock had a different meaning. We'd beware of rocks, especially if they were rolling. Tonight, we'll share some slightly scary monster hits from the dungeons of Disney. Delicious little things that go pop in the night. I love a good fright, don't you? So, join me and my co-host Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, and my old friend Witch Hazel.
Double bubble, toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble. Let's mix up a fright night brew with great cartoons and rock songs too. We call that magical potion DTV. Rhythm and blues, pop and soul, and a lock of air from Billy Joel. How you are here, sir? Repulsive. Delightfully gruesome reaction. Take it away.